Hi everyone, let's solve this problem to sum. Let's see what we have given. We have given a list of numbers and one another parameter is the target and the output is also a list. So what is do sum problem? We have to find out the two digits or what we can say two number within this list whose sum is equals to the target. This question is been asked in many of the interview questions for the freshers. So this is one of the important questions. So let's deep dive into it, and there can be multiple ways to solve this problem. So let's explore the basic one using the hash map, or we can say map in the Python. So I will be coding in the Python for this problem. Yeah, before going to coding part, let's go through one of the test cases given here. The first thing is we have given it a number list of numbers. Let me copy paste it here, and we have to find the target as a 9. So first index is a 2, and if we have to find the another element who can make the sum 9, then simple hack is 2 plus something, and that gives us 9, right? So let's do some mathematics here, a simple calculation here. So x, I will take the 2 there, and it will be 9 minus 2. So x will be 7, right? So we have to search for the 7 in the remaining array so that we can make the 2 plus 7 equals to given target. So this is the simple hack, and what we are going to do is we will make one hash map where I will store the current number as a key and this index as a value. Okay, then when I will go to the next element, it will be the 7, and what will be the required value that I should add to the 7 so I can make it targeted value is 2, right? It's because 9 minus 7 equals to 2. So I need to search for the 2 in a remaining array. So we already have a hash map where I have stored the remaining or the traversed element where I have a value 2 already present as a key. So if we have given value already in a hash map as a key, then we can simply get the index of it. We know the index of 2 is 0, and we already know the index of 7 because we are traversing, so it's 1. So our output will be the 0 and 1. Okay, let me summarize you the steps. First thing we are going to do is the traversal of array, and then we are going to find that temporary number which will be equals to the target minus current number. So if that temporary number is already being in the map as a key, then we have the answer. So we don't need to search for any other element. And if not, then we are going to put that current number and its index into the maps. Considering these steps, let's start the coding. Okay, first thing what we need is the map. Let's declare the one map. I call it a hash map. And another thing that we need to do is to traverse the array. So let's write one for loop. And it will iterate till the end of the array. So the range will be the length of array. So okay, so what we have to do is we have to find this temporary number. It will be the target minus current number, and the current number is nums of r. Okay, then what we have to do is check if that temporary number is in map. Then let's write if condition if that temporary number in hash map dot keys this function returns the keys inside the hash map, and if the current temporary number, if it is in hash map, then we have the output. So let's define one output array and put current index and the index of the temporary. Yeah, what this output array will contain is index of that temporary number and the index of a current element. Okay, then let's append this both. We dot append the index of current number will be the value at key 10 in the hash map. Okay, and another thing is index of current number, which is I. If this is not the case, means temporary number is not in hash map, then what we are going to do is push the current element and its index into the map. Then let's push it. Map of current number, which is nums of I, equals to I. Okay, and here we have the output, so we are going to return this as a output of our solution. Okay, let's run this one. All test cases are getting passed. Let me submit it. Okay, it's got accepted. Okay, there is one more solution for this problem using the binary search, and that is a little bit more optimized than this solution. So I will be making the video on it also. Before ending this video, let's discuss about the time complexity and space complexity of this solution. Generally, we consider hashing complexity as O of 1 because hashing itself returns the key and value in O of 1 time complexity. So considering this point, and we have one for loop, so it will take O of n, and this is the O of 1 time complexity operation. So we have time complexity of O of n as for this solution, and for the space complexity we are using one hash map as an extra space, so it will be the O of n for the hash map. So that is the time complexity and space complexity for this solution. Yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you.